Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all today? Hope you all are doing fine. So this is the tutorial video of how to make a rose flower. So here I have started with the soil, or you can start it with the U shape and make petals around it. Likewise, I'm showing in the video. Just cover the area around it. I've given only 2 layers. It's not so big, so make the way you like it, or the way I have made. If you like my videos, then do share it with your friends and family. Again, I'm making another rose. I've started with the circle and then made petals around it. Well, this is the easiest version of rose flower. I find it easy. You can make up to your choices. The more you do practice of henna, the more you become professional and neat in your work. It depends upon the practice you are doing it on the daily basis. You can make your own henna book or a sketchbook. You can buy it and do practice on it of different flowers, grids and checks, lines, designs. By doing with the pencil first, you will be able to have more control on henna cone, because in this way you will get more precise of doing any kind of design. Whatever the elements you're making, you're going to make it precisely. Now I'm doing filling inside the rose flower. In this flower also I'm doing filling. After filling, I will be giving a bold outline, and in that way it will look more beautiful. So remember one thing, there is no wrong way to do it. You just have to make it. Just make the way you feel comfortable. You know, like the saying, it says, perfectionism is a refusal to let yourself move ahead. So don't fear about mistakes. Just do it. When you do, you really learn something, and you only learn by doing it. So don't think about the mistakes or now I'm making dots over here, bold dots. After completing bold outline, now I've made a line and vines. You can make any kind of shape of leaf. I have made this one, but I'm not satisfied with it, so I'm gonna change it. Now I'm making bold line and I'm changing the design of leaf. It wasn't looking nice, so I just changed my mind and I've done this to the leaf. It doesn't matter. The final look should be nice. That's it. Now I'm making swirl, big swirl. And these are humps. It's another kind of flower. Now I'm making M shape, little bit M shape petals. They are bigger. This also looks really very nice. And you can do filling inside it. Filling should be like, you don't have to press the cone too much. You just have to work with the flow of it. Like whatever the amount of henna is coming through the nip, that's enough for this filling. You just have to move your henna cone. You don't have to push pressure on it. Otherwise it will, the henna will come out in large amount and that will not look good. It should be a little bit lighter in shade. Bold should look bold and light. Filling should be in a lighter shade. Here I have made another flower. It's a small one. This is the smallest flower. I love this too much. It's a dot and little humps around it. This is another kind of. It's a round shape, overlapping petals. This also looks really nice in Mehndi. Now here I have made a bold dot and bold petals. Now here I am pressing my henna cone a little bit harder so that it can give more amount of henna, and it's a bold flower. You can make one or you can make 3 at a time, it's up to you. Now again swirl. It's a pinwheel type petal, curly petal. This also looks really very nice. Which flower do you like most? Comment me down below so that I can know which one is your favorite. I personally like all of them. Rose is my favorite, and this pinwheel kind of petal, and bold flower also, and the smallest flower. Now here this is a bold dot and humps, and I'm making a little bit longer petals overlapping each other, and this way flower looks really very nice. You can do practice of all these flowers, and hope to see you again. Allah Hafiz.